Hey everyone, you remember this face? Yeah, it's been a while since I made any kind of video in our channel, especially the kind of interaction videos which I used to make. Yeah, it's been maybe more than 2 years now. I have been busy parenting my son, and right now he is a toddler. He is very busy and running around all over the place, spending a lot of time on parenting. And in the meanwhile, our industry is changing a lot. Everything is changing. I guess it was in 2023 the strike happened, and after the strike we went through a lot of turmoil, and right now we have this kind of AI thing which is all over the place. Maybe I can make a detailed video about my view on AI later, but this is just like a Q&A video I thought of making before 2024 ends. Just for your information, I'm shooting this video on December 31st of 2024, but I guess you will be watching this video on Jan 1st or Jan 2nd. I'm just recording the video at 9:30 right now because I just made my son sleep, and I hope you can understand the situation. Many people were asking where are you and why you are not making videos regularly. I hope you understood the reason. It's because I was busy parenting my son and also taking care of my family, also taking care of myself, also working a full-time job. So lots of things were on my plate. But as far as I remember, in 2023 I completed my silhouette paint series, and in 2024 I made maybe 3 tutorials I believe, and also few inspiring sessions and lots of YouTube shorts. So there are some plans for 2025. I really hope to make videos regularly in 2025, so fingers crossed. So one guy was curious about the YouTube earning, and I think he was teasing me because I was not making videos. So he was asking me about how you're still getting paid from YouTube. So to be honest, I'm not getting paid from YouTube. They just stopped monetizing my videos, I think in early 2024 I believe. That's because my watch time was very less, and I'm not at all sad because of that, because I know it was my mistake, and I couldn't compete myself for making more content. It's more watch time. So yeah, I'm not earning any kind of money from YouTube right now. Yeah, I don't want to. Lots of people were messaging me about Canadian job opportunities, and also they were very much curious to know when the industry will be back. To be honest, I don't have a proper answer, but we went to a career fair very recently. I think it was on November. I got to know from one of my friends that probably in 2025 is going to be a better time for VFX artists, because lots of projects are going to be on the floor. So what's next for me and my channel? So I have planned a schedule for my videos, 1 tutorial every month, and I'm trying to concentrate more on YouTube shorts as well. Probably will be making at least 4 short videos as well. In the meantime, if I have any inspiring sessions ready after editing, I will post that as well. So I'm not saying that I'm gonna do this for sure, but that's my plan. I'm really sorry if I sound very terrible, because from the past 1.5 weeks I'm sick. Fever, cold and cough. My sound has changed. I don't have that much energy to make this video, but I'm making because I'm committed to this. Apologies if I sound very bad to you.